Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today we will do EVS chapter number 10, Light, Sound and Force. First of all, let me tell you what is light. Okay, beta, can you see things in a dark room where there is no light or no source of light? No, you cannot see things. So, for seeing the things, you need light. In the daytime, you do not need to switch on your bulbs and tube lights to get light, but following from the evening to the night, you need your bulbs and tube lights to see things. So, light is used to see things. So, one are the luminous objects and others are the non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are those objects which give you light. For example, this candle, bulb, diyas and torches. Non-luminous objects are those objects which do not give you light. For example, chair, table, bag, bed, door. These definitions you have to learn, luminous and non-luminous objects. Now, what is shadow? Shadow means parchai. Beta, whenever you are walking at night or in the morning or at daytime, you always observe a black image. Sometimes in front of you, sometimes ahead of you, sometimes at back of you, and sometimes it is with you only. So what is this shadow? You see the shadow of your body on the road when you walk in the sunlight. Your body blocks the light falling on the road. See how I am reading, beta? You have to take care of the full stops, commas and everything. First of all, you have to read the title. Shadow. You see the shadow of your body on the road when you walk in the sunlight. There is a full stop, take a pause. Your body blocks the light falling on the road. See, this is the sun. You are walking. Sunlight is falling on you and you are blocking the light of the sun. So, a shadow is formed. When you block the light of the sun, when you block the path of the light, then a shadow is formed. For example, on the road, trees and buildings are there. Whenever sunlight falls on them, they block the light of the sun, so their shadows are formed. A shadow is longer in the morning and evening, but it is shortest at noon. Why it is shortest at noon? Because at noon time, the sun is over your head. That's why the shadow is the shortest at the noon time. It is longest in the morning and evening time because the sun is at your back. Shadows are formed in the west direction. In the evening, sun sets in the west. Shadows are formed in the east. So shadows are formed at the opposite direction. When you will walk, when the sun rises in the east, shadow is formed in the west. When the sun sets in the west, shadow is formed in the east direction. Okay, beta? Remember these points? Now see, the earth is a planet and moon is a satellite, as you all know. Both the earth and the moon shine from the light of the sun. Bache, moon and the earth takes light from the sun. They don't have their own heat and light. The earth moves around the sun and the moon moves around the earth. Many a times while moving around the earth, the moon blocks the sunlight falling on the earth. See here, beta, now I am explaining you the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. Beta, see, this moon moves around the earth. The sunlight is falling on the earth. when this moon is moving around the earth, sometimes what happens, the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, and it blocks the light of the sun to fall on the earth. It does not allow the light of the sun to fall on the earth. Hence, it is very dark on the earth. So, it forms the solar eclipse. It forms solar eclipse, जिसको आप कहते हैं सूर्य ग्रहण. On a total solar eclipse, we do not see the sun at all for a few minutes. Usually, a solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day. Now see the lunar eclipse. Sometimes what happens, when the earth is moving around the sun, it comes in between the sun and the moon. So moon does not receive the light of the sun. So it is called as the lunar eclipse. It occurs on a full moon day. Now see, strike the odd one out. Odd one means which does not match the pattern. You have to strike that out. So that's all for today, beta. Sound topic we will do tomorrow. Please prepare the questions from this topic. Read the chapter very, very carefully. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.